is Mistry Zahur Ibrahim, codename Bhola, and he is Shakir, codename Shankar. They were among the 5 men who hijacked Indian Airlines Flight 814 in 1999. But 25 years later, in 2024, it was their code names that stirred controversy after the release of the series IC-814, The Kandahar Hijack.
Enjoy the flight.
On 24 December 1999, Indian Airlines Flight 814, carrying over 170 passengers and crew, was hijacked by 5 terrorists from Pakistan. They diverted the Kathmandu-Delhi plane to Kandahar in Taliban-controlled Afghanistan.
शुरू के 2 दिन थोड़े से टेंस थे, बस उसके बाद एक उनमें से जो बर्गर था टेररिस्ट, वो थोड़ा फ्रेंडली था क्योंकि पैनिक अटैक हो रहे थे लोगों को, तो वो थोड़े उनसे गाने भी गाता था, अंताक्षरी भी खिलवाता था, उससे थोड़ा बेटर रहा.
अरे हाथ से गाओ, हार जाओगे.
The hijackers were identified as Ibrahim Athar, Shahid Akhtar Saeed, Sunny Ahmed Qazi, Mistry Zahur Ibrahim and Shakir. The 8-day ordeal ended when the then Vajpayee government agreed to release 3 terrorists, including Masood Azhar, in exchange for the passengers.
There was a feeling of ambivalence at the end when the whole crisis was resolved. I could not pinpoint why I feel this, but I did feel that the passengers and the pilot had been through an absolutely horrifying time.
Months after the hijack took place, the captain of the plane, Devi Sharan, recounted the 8 days in his book, Flight into Fear, The Captain's Story. Fast forward to 28 August 2024, the web series IC-814, The Kandahar Hijack, was released on an OTT platform, which was inspired by real events, and it was also an adaptation of the captain's book. The characters playing the hijackers in the series were referred to as Chief, Doctor, Burger, Bhola and Shankar. Just after the release, social media users criticized the makers for giving the hijackers common names like Bhola and Shankar. Soon, the criticism snowballed into a controversy. The makers of the series were accused of offending public sentiment, whitewashing terrorism, and distorting crucial facts. A Hindu right-wing organization had also filed a case in a Delhi court seeking a ban on the series.
वो सभी के सभी पाकिस्तानी थे, तो उनको भोला और शंकर नाम क्यों दिया आपने इस मूवी में? तो शर्म आनी चाहिए ऐसे प्रोड्यूसरों को, और केंद्र सरकार से अपील करूंगा कि ऐसे लोगों को कड़ी से कड़ी आप सजा दीजिए, इस पर इंक्वायरी करिए, नेटफ्लिक्स पर कार्रवाई करिए. नेटफ्लिक्स कैसे ये दिखा सकता है?
Boycott Netflix and boycott Bollywood. These were also trending on social media. So in response to the controversy, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting summoned the content head of Netflix India, Monica Shergill. But what's the real story behind the code names? According to a statement released by the then Home Minister in the aftermath of the 1999 hijack incident, it was confirmed that the hijackers did use code names such as Bhola and Shankar to address each other inside the plane. Shergill addressed the issue and released an official statement following the outrage on social media.
As per quote from Monica Shergill, Vice President Content, Netflix India. Please pay attention. For the benefit of audiences unfamiliar with the 1999 hijacking of Indian Airlines Flight 814, the opening disclaimer has been updated to include the real and code names of the hijackers. The code names in the series reflect those used during the actual event. India has a rich culture of storytelling, and we are committed to showcasing these stories and their authentic representation.